hard times. I found it hard to sleep at night. We are living through such troubled times. And every child that reaches out for someone to hold for one moment, they become my own. But how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second and every minute another soul is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see, the end of hopelessness or giving up or suffering. If we all stand together these war times, then no one will get left behind. Stand up for life. Stand up for love. That's all.